Okay, this video is going to show you how to do activity 2.4.4 in your books. So it says draw the isometric view of the object as shown in the image. So I need to draw this object and I need to draw it down here using my isometric. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to start with the lowest point. So if I look at my 3D picture here, the lowest point is this one down here. Okay, and I'm going to draw that. I'm going to put that on my page. I'll just move my page so you can see it. I'm going to do that down here in the middle. So I'll do it here. Now what I'd like to do when I do these questions is I do them one face at a time. So what I mean by that is the first shape that I'm going to draw is this L-shaped one here. So you can see it here, this one here. Okay, and I'm going to start with this corner down here. So when I look here, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Okay, so I'm going to do the same from here. So I go back 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be this point here. So I'm going to use my ruler to join these together. So now I've got this point here. So from this point I go straight up for 1. Okay, so I go up for 1. So up 1. Okay, from here I'm going to come back this way for 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now there are many different ways to do this, okay? But I think if you follow it this way, if you do it one face at a time, it just makes it easier because you don't get confused then. You don't get the views mixed up. So from here, I'm going to come up 1, 2. So I come up 2. From here, I go back 1. So I go back for 1. And again, you're just using the lines that are already on the page. You'll know you've gone wrong if you've got lines in here that don't line up with the ones on the page. So they should all be in line with the ones that are already drawn. From here then, I come down to the start. So I come down, back to the start. Again, that's the first part of my drawing finished. The next piece that I'm going to do is this piece here on the side. So see this piece here? This is the next piece I'm going to do. So again, what I can do is I can go down to my start here, which is here, and I'm going to go back this way for 1. So I go back this way now for 1. I come up 3, and then I come back to here. So I go over 1. Over 1. Now, that's that piece drawn. Okay, so now I've got this piece drawn, this piece drawn. The next piece I'm going to do is the top piece here. So I'm just going to do this little square. So I already have this line drawn and this line drawn. I'm just going to do this one and this one. So I'll go this way for 1 and back this way. So that's my top piece drawn. The final piece I'm going to do is this one here. So I need to find out where I'm going to start. So for this one I'm going to start back here. So if I look at my drawing here, this is it. And I'm going to come back this way for 1. So I come back for 1. And the last thing I do then is I draw one more line going back this way. Now this line goes all the way into here, but this piece is hidden. So I just draw this until I hit this line here. So I go from here, I draw it until I hit here, then I take it away. So that's how you get the drawing here on 2.4.4. Please make sure you take a picture of your work and send it to me on LMS. Okay, thank you.